had a good client of ours from about 8 years ago reach out to us and say she's moved into a new house, she needs a bit of electrical and security work done. Now we rocked up to the property, it's a beautiful home, it's 3 levels, but it's an absolute pain to do any wiring in. Now any Sparky or security tech will run away from a job like this. We're dealing with flat roofs, we're dealing with 3 levels, we're dealing with Colourbond sheeting. It's just an absolute nightmare, but our team love a challenge. We stay solutions focused. We looked at it, we scoped it all out, we designed what we were after, we designed what the client was after good conversations. We sat down with the client and her husband, we looked at what needed to be done throughout the property. We're looking at everything electrical, we're looking at everything security and access control. We installed about 7 TVs throughout the property. We installed over 10 or 12 power points throughout the property, quad pack power points. We installed wireless access points. We replaced their router. We gave them a strong, beautiful internet signal throughout the whole property. Massive block over here. We installed 6 active Deterrent Dahua cameras throughout the whole property. We installed a PIN code intercom reader with fob swipe access at the front. We installed a Maglock with our locksmith friends, and we installed a push to exit on the inside, plus many, many more. We're excited to dive into this one with the team, and at the end of the job, we executed like champions, and the clients were really happy.
Hey, I've been working with Oztech Sparks now for 8 years. They have been absolutely amazing. From beginning to end, the process is seamless. We have had security systems installed, we've had intercom systems installed, we've had TVs installed, fans, the lot. And every single instance that we've had it installed, it's been amazing. All the workers have been fabulous as well. Very neat and tidy and clean, and it's always good as a mum to have a clean space. So yeah, thank you so much, Oztech Sparks.